Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change birth date on Roblox and without any support, right? You no need to ask your Roblox support. Now to do this, first of all, you have to just open your Roblox. By the way, you can follow the same tutorial or steps if you're trying to open your Roblox on a laptop or PC. Once your Roblox is open, make sure you log in with your ID. Now in the bottom right side corner, you will see a more option. Scroll down and here on the right side, on the left side, you will see a setting option. Then you have to just go to your account info. Now inside your account info, everything will be shown here. Now as you can see here, my birth date March 1, 1969. Now how I can change it? So the very first thing that I need to change it, first of all, I have to just go and select my date of birth. Now here, once I try to change here, it will ask my password here. So I will just enter my password and click on verify. Right, and here as you can see here, my date of year and birth, everything has been changed. Right, let me just go and select any. Yeah, now I just need to verify once again. Right, so let's get, I will just go and select here 1973. Right, now it will ask me to verify this and I have to just verify here. Let me refresh this page once again. Let me just go back, and whether it has got changed or not, we can just confirm it right now. Now here you can see that it has gone changed for only one time because my date of year was 1963 and right now it has been selected to 1964. I'll try to change it once again. I have to verify my year date, right? Sometimes it doesn't work. So there's another option to verify your age, and you can just change it. That is called verify my age. So you have to enter your email address and you have to submit a valid document given by document or by nationality card which shows that your date of birth is exactly correct, and then you can able to change it. Right, so this is the only solution to do this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.